Okay, I'm Nifty Thrifty Girl, and I'm making a video featuring a vintage Sears Kenmore model 1206. It's a basic zigzag sewing machine, all metal, with 1 amp motor. It's in great cosmetic condition. It's easy to use. Your stitch width adjustment is here, spring-loaded, great for creative embroidery, or you can lock it in place with this knob. This is your stitch length in your reverse, and this is your feed dog drop. Your bobbin winder's up on top. Your spool pins also. It's a high shank machine using class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles. The bobbin is on the end. It faces the end of the machine, so this machine is not double needle capable. If the bobbin was facing the front of the machine, then the machine is double needle capable. This one is not. Copy of the instruction manual will be emailed after purchase. Comes with an original Sears bobbin storage box, high shank zipper foot, a set of Kenmore screwdrivers, a needle threader, some bias tape, and a set of McCall's how-to books. Very cool vintage little booklets, step-by-step instructions how to do things. Nice machine. Like I said, it's all metal. It does not have a built-in work light. Very clean inside, as you can see. This is one of the few models that doesn't have a light, unfortunately. Cutting a piece of fabric here, forgot to do that. Alright, we are plugged in and ready to go. It's a left homing needle machine, which means your needle homes on the left-hand side of the foot. It's a quiet machine, just serviced and ready to go. Switch over to zigzag and lock it in place. Full of thread is going to be because here. Very nice stitch. We're going to go back to straight stitch. We're going to do 5 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. And this machine is tabletop ready, or it will install into a Singer type cabinet or carrying case. And we're going to do a couple layers of leather without a problem, as you can see. Nice stitch on there, and that is your vintage Kenmore model 1206 zigzag.